begin your quantum care session, click on the Quanta Cap icon. Now click on this Login button. Please enter your email address. Please enter the password provided by your therapist. Check the box. Click on this Login button. Click this button to cancel. You can return to this step later. Click on the three-line sandwich menu. Click on this icon to import the programs that have been sent to you by your therapist. In this example, 2 programs are waiting to be imported for use. The first program lasts 10 minutes, and the second lasts 30 minutes. We will now import the first program. Click on the small arrow to go back and import the second program. Both programs are now ready to be downloaded to start your quantum therapy. Always start with program number 1 in the playlist, and continue in order. Please take the time to read the instructions provided by your therapist. Now click on Download. You can see your program's playlist is ready to use. Now click the top button to add the playlist to the lower area. All the items appear in the area and are ready for your session. Please adjust the listening time as indicated for this program. In this example, the time is 10 minutes. Once done, click the play button. The session will stop automatically. To prepare for the next session, please click the top button to remove all items from the lower area. To confirm, click this button. Now the area is cleared and ready to receive the second program from the playlist. Click on the sandwich menu, then on the Playlist button. Here, you can see that program number 2 lasts 30 minutes and should be used once per day. We will now download this program. Be sure to add all the items to the lower area by clicking the top button. Now set the listening time to 30 minutes, as indicated by your therapist. Then click the play button. The timer shows the remaining time for your session. We remind you that, for the best comfort during your session, it is preferable to listen with headphones rather than small earbuds, and to choose a quiet place at home, at your office, in a park, or while traveling so you can fully enjoy the benefits of your daily session. Do not hesitate to contact your quantum practitioner if you have any questions.